Welcome to Blink Tech and IT Consult. In today's video, I have here with me a brand new software which we just concluded, and this is a hospital management system. Okay, it's actually for hospital owners, and I'll be putting you guys through on what you can actually do with this software. Okay, so if you're a hospital owner and you need something like this, you can reach out to us via the information displaying on your screen. And if you're a software developer and you need this source code, you can actually visit our website blinkn.ng, which is also on the screen. You can go there and purchase the source code of this software. Okay, so in this software you have a lot of things that you can do with it as a hospital owner. Now we have the administrator, which is the admin, the super admin. We have the nurses, okay, the nurses account. We have the lab staffs, okay. Then we have the doctors, we have the receptionist, and we have the pharmacist, okay. So there are a lot of accounts which this software manage all together. Okay, so we are going to be starting with the super admin. Okay, so I'm going to log in as the admin. So this is the super admin's dashboard, and this is how it looks like. Very cool. Okay, so from this super admin account, this is the dashboard. Then this is for the patients. Okay, so this is the patients page, so which you can actually register new patients yourself. Then we have the appointment page. Okay, so this is the appointment page, which you can actually schedule your appointments with your patients, doctor, and so on. Okay, then we have the record page, which you can actually for visits. Okay, so you record for visits depending on the informations that are needed. Then you also have the pharmacy page. So in this page you add the medicines. Okay, so this is where you can add new medicines that just arrived. All right, and if you have low stocks, you can actually filter them. Okay, the software will also notify you when the stock is low. Okay, so to track it, you can just click on this stuff and click on filter, and all the low stocks will display. So but currently we don't have any low stock, so that's why it's showing like this. So I'll filter it back, and you can see we have all the stocks here from 250. So if just the way I have already set it, the low stock will start counting once is from 10 below. All right, so you can actually customize that yourself. So that's for the pharmacy page. Then we also have the laboratory page. So this is how the lab page looks like. Then we also have billing. Okay, so here is where you create your invoice and so on. So you just click on this new invoice, and you can actually take the patient's name. If there is any discount, then you can actually add the invoice. Then you also have some quick services which you can use for creating urgent invoice. Okay, and you can actually customize all this yourself. So that's for billing. Then we also have for staffs. So in this page you also create your staffs, so add their information and also create a password for each of them. All right, so here is for staffs page. So then these ones here are the ones I just created temporarily for the tutorial. Then you also have departments. Okay, so you can see all the departments that I already created. Okay, so just for temporal, so you can also edit all these departments and put them in order before using the software. Then we also have the report page. So this report page is where you can track all the inventory. Okay, so you see the dashboard summary, you can check the revenue, which is the money, then the patients, the appointments and all that. Okay, so you can actually sort all that from this report page. Then you have the setting page. So this setting page, if you don't want your currency to be in naira, you can change it from here. Then if you have any tax rates that you want to add, let's say 10%, or you can set your tax rates, then you can set your time zone and so on. All right, then okay, this for the login information of all the people that are logging into the software. Okay, so you can always monitor the time and date when each of them log in from this place. All right, so that's for the super admin. Then if you want to also change your information, you can come to this place, and from here you can change your phone number, add your photo that will be showing here. Then you can also change your password. Okay, so this is actually for the super admin's account. Now we are also going to check out these accounts. Okay, so I'm going to first of all open for the nurse. So use this nurse account. So this is how the nurse account looks like, the nurse page. Okay, so I just created this nurse just for demo. You can create as many nurses as you want. So the nurse can actually see their dashboard, also check the patients and also register new patients. Okay, then if they have any appointments, they can also schedule appointments. All right, then the vitals, they can also record all that based on the patient's information. So this side is for the patient, the nurses. So the nurses can also change their information from here based on the phone number and password and picture. Then we go out from the nurse. Then the next one is the lab staff. So I just created this for temporal preview. So I will log in into that account for the lab. So this is how the lab account looks like. So you can create as many lab staffs as you want. So this is their dashboard. Then the order, it will be showing here. Enter results, it will be showing here. Then the test catalog is also showing, so you can also add tests and so on. So you can still do the adjustments just like the other ones. So this is for the lab. The next one is the doctor. So let's also see the doctor's accounts. So this is how the doctor's account looks like. Okay, so this is their dashboard. You can actually create as many doctors as you want. So this is their dashboard, and my patients depend on the doctor. So their patients will be showing here, appointments will be showing here, medical records will be showing here, then prescriptions will be showing here, and then lab order. Okay, so everything is actually in set. So then the next one is the receptionist. So let's also check out the receptionist account. So now this is the receptionist account, and you can as well create as many receptionists as you want based on their shiftings. So this is the dashboard, register patients. So this page, they can use it to register new patients. Then from here they can see the patients that are registered. Then they can book appointments, schedule appointments and so on. then the billing, they can also create invoice. Okay, so this is for the receptionist, and they can actually make adjustments from this place for their accounts. Okay, then the next one is the pharmacist. Okay, so this one is for the person in charge of the medicine. So we are going to log in as the pharmacist. All right, so the pharmacist, this is the pharmacist dashboard. All right, and you can create as many as you want depending if they are on shiftings. So and this is their dashboard. This is the prescription where the informations for the prescriptions are being listed. Then the inventory, so this is where all the stocks are showing. Okay, as they are making sales or anything, it will be deducting from here. Then dispensing, so this particular page also shows how the stocks are going out. Okay, so this particular software, it covers everything about a full hospital. Right, so and in all these accounts, the super admin can actually monitor whatsoever that is going in or going out from each of those accounts from this particular place. Okay, so the super admin have access to overview whatsoever you want to check out from this your own dashboard, right? And another good thing about this software is mobile responsive. So if we integrate it for you, even if you are not around, you can also be using your mobile phone to preview whatsoever that is going on in your hospital. All right, so it's mobile responsive. Everything is working perfectly fine on mobile device. So if you actually need this software, you can get in touch with us via the information displaying on this video. All right, then if you are a software developer and you need this software, you can easily visit our website, which is also displayed on this video, which is blinkn.ng. From there you can purchase this software and you have access to the source code, so you can re-edit it. And if you also need our assistance, you can notify us. We will help you re-edit it and give you the best of the software before you can make use of it to make money.